Hi everyone, this is a quick recap on the lesson relations and functions, and under this we are going to discuss about domain, codomain and range. Let's get started with an example, and this is an example. And when you read questions, don't rush and make careless mistakes. As you read the questions, collect the information and frame the same question in a way you understand it. Let a is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and it goes till 14. It means a is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it goes till 14. Next, define a relation from a to a. It means a relation is from a to a. It means this is the first set and this is the second set, and relation is defined as R equals to x comma y. It's an ordered pair where x is the first element and y is the second element, such that 3x minus y is equals to 0, and this is the specified condition. The specified condition is 3x minus y is equals to 0 and x and y both belongs to a. X and y both are the elements of A. Also find domain, codomain and range. Now we have collected all the informations. I am going to start this with a specified condition. The specified condition is 3x minus y is equals to 0. If you want, you can write it as, reframe it as 3x is equals to y. When minus y goes over there, it becomes plus y. And the relation is from a to a. It means the input value and the output value both are going to be elements of a set A. What is the definition of a relation? A relation is the subset of Cartesian product of two sets with specified condition. Over here it is A cross A, because a relation is from A to A. And over here, how many subsets are possible? 2. The formula is 2 raised to the power of n, 2, and we have 14 sets, so it must be 14. We have 2 raised to the power of 14 subsets. Though we have 2 raised to the power of 14 subsets, we are going to collect the subsets which satisfies this specified condition. It is an ordered pair. As I input the x value, I get the corresponding output value. My first input value is 1. So wherever I find x, I have to replace it with 1. 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is 3. So this is, as I give 1, I get 3. Next value is 2. 3 in place of x, 2. 3 into 2 is 6. So as I input 2, I get 6. Next value 3. So it means 3 in place of x, 3. 3 into 3 is 9. So as I input 3, the corresponding output value is 9. Next, I'm going to try 4. 3 into 4 is 12. As I input 4, my corresponding value is 12. Next input value is 5. So 3 into, in place of x, 5. 3 into 5 is 15. So when I give 5, my corresponding output value is 15. When I assigned 5, I get 15 as the corresponding output. As x and y both belongs to A, the first element 5 falls under the set A, but the second element 15 does not falls under the set A, because the at max element in a set A is 14, but we have 15. Even when I try the next number 6, 3 into 6 is 18. When I put 6, the corresponding output value is 18. Though 6 is there inside a set, 14 is not inside a set A. So I cannot take the input value more than 4. This is not possible. Even this is not possible. Even the upcoming combinations are not possible. Now we have collected all the subsets satisfying the specified condition, which is 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, and 4, 12. Now we are going to find domain, codomain, and range for this relation. Now we have picked out all the subsets of A cross A satisfying the specified condition, which is 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, and 4, 12. Now we are going to find domain, codomain, and range. It is easy to understand using an arrow diagram. This is an arrow diagram with elements of A on both the diagram, starting from 1 to 14, even over here starting from 1 to 14, since relation is from A to A, so A even over here, and it is related by R. Using this we are going to find domain, codomain, and range. Mapping this easily, we can find domain, codomain, and range. Now 1 is 1, 3, it means 1 is mapped to 3. Next 2, 6, it means 2 is mapped to 6. 3, 9, 3 is mapped to 9. Next 4, 12, 4 is mapped to 12. Now all the input values 1, 2, 3, and 4 are domain. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And all the elements of the second set is codomain. And all the elements which are mapped is what is your range. 3 is mapped, 6 is mapped, 9 is mapped, and 12 is mapped. So all your output values 3, 6, 9, 12. Always range is the subset of codomain. That's it. This is the concept of domain, codomain, and range. Thanks for watching.